Hello my beautiful nerds. Today we are back with another video. Today I am going to be testing out the 3 official Beauty Blender cleansing products to see which one is the best, the easiest, the most convenient, at least for me. Well, they actually have 3 products. They have a liquid cleanser. You can see I've used a lot of the liquid cleanser. It comes in like a pump bottle, which does get a little bit janky. You can see I've used a ton of the liquid cleaner. It's actually my everyday go-to cleanser. And then I got the solid cleanser sample. You guys know, if you watch some of my previous videos, that when I clean my brushes, I really love a solid cleanser. You just kind of buff your brush on it and away you go. So I've got a sample of the solid, and Beauty Blender not too long ago came out with the Instaclean, which is a waterless sponge and brush cleansing spray. So I'm going to break each product down for you, do a little demo with each one of them, and then come to the conclusion of which product I think is best for everyday cleaning. So here we go. The first cleanser is their Liquid Blender cleanser, and it says it's a cleanser that's free of dyes and skin irritants. It removes excess residue and germs for a clean makeup application. It's soy-based, low suds, and it's supposed to work quickly on your sponge. The website claims that it offers protection against 99.7% of harmful germs, even if stains are left behind, plus continuous protection from 99.9% of harmful germs 24 hours after washing, even if your Beauty Blender is stained. A 150 ml bottle like this retails for 25 Canadian dollars. The directions on the cleanser say to wet your Beauty Blender or makeup brushes, apply a dime-sized amount of Liquid Blender cleanser to the Beauty Blender, work into a lather, rinse and repeat if necessary, squeeze to remove excess water. They also say it's great for pre-soaking to clean stubborn stains, and then just to set it out to dry once you've washed it. This is a little sample of the Blender Cleanser Solid in Chill Swirl. This retails for 22 Canadian dollars, but you get 1 ounce of product, not this tiny sample, and it comes in a container. It also comes with a custom grid to dry the Beauty Blender and to deep clean your brushes, and it's supposed to be more travel friendly than the liquid. It does say it supports the integrity of the blender as it provides the same cleansing results and soothing lavender fragrance as the liquid. The directions say to wet the Beauty Blender or makeup brushes and then rub the blender over the soap, creating a lather, repeating if necessary. Then gently squeeze the Beauty Blender to remove excess water and cleanser, and then set it down on the grid to dry. And finally, the Instaclean spray. So this retails for $22. You get 2 ounces of product in it. It says it's a waterless cleaning spray that helps lift away surface stains, so your Beauty Blender and makeup brushes are always in prime condition no matter where you are. It's presented as an alternative to a full cleanse. It says, like a dry shampoo for your hair, the fast blending spray block cleans your brushes or blender without needing to rinse it, so you can quickly switch between colors. It's an alcohol-free formula that contains a subtle lavender scent, and the directions say to spray directly onto the Beauty Blender or brush until the stain is saturated. Sweep tool onto tissue or towel to remove residue. No rinsing needed, but repeat if necessary. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking at all 3 of these cleansing products for your Beauty Blender or brushes. Let me know which your favorite is down below. I think I'm going to say I prefer the liquid cleanser just because I feel like you have the most amount of control with it, and because you need to use your Beauty Blender wet, it makes sense if you keep this by the sink. Every time you go to wet your Beauty Blender, you just give it a quick cleanse. So in my opinion, this guy reigns supreme. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you would like to see more beauty content from me. I do new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's just a nice, relaxing, calming beauty experience to help you start your day. A huge shout out to my Patreons who help me bring this content to you guys. Huge thanks to you for watching. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye!